Yin and yang.
Yes, GZ, Yin Yang Boys. Gonna go militant on this one. Oh yeah, Tinsy on the beat. Listen. Yeah, salute to the Sheffield people. Yeah, militant. GZ, let me get them. There's too many jokers, yeah, they were the class clowns. I know peace with a toaster, aim at your potato, turn it into hash browns. But it's not a fry-up, but you might get fried from the bars that I'm spitting. Every word is true in the song that I've written. My style's all mine, never been bitten. Your girl's not faithful, why you on a dumb ting? She picked me up from my yard, I put the ackee to a saltfish, yeah, blew out her dumplings. I treat my money like women, I'll try sweet it. If you put a dead woman on the bed, $500,000, I'll try beat it. Kinda got a temper, it's quite abnormal. It will tear up your face, but leave your abs normal. At least your body's intact. Give your girl the change boom treatment, put her on the back. Let's go. Salute to the real people, salute to the Sheffield Steel people, salute to the single mothers and the hustling brothers trying to eat and live peaceful. Once again, salute to the real people, salute to the Sheffield Steel people, salute to the single mothers and the hustling brothers trying to eat and live peaceful. Let me get it. A lot of man talk hard, put the soft like bedding. They wouldn't even throw rice at a Chinese wedding. I know a couple goons with the shells like a turtle that'll make you tuck your head in. I need to be heard from Leeds to Luton to Sheffield to Reading. My style is too hot, so don't try muck with me. No 4-leaf clovers, so there ain't no luck with me. So you watch how you looking, G, before I get my apron on and start cooking, G. I don't wanna scuff or wrestle like Booker T, but I will if I have to. So show respect, so you better say bless you if I say hat you. Or I do you like I did Turner, big dirty clap you and leave you on your back, fool. Yeah, let's get into it again, listen. Salute to the real people, salute to the Sheffield Steel people, salute to the single mothers and the hustling brothers trying to eat and live peaceful. Salute to the real people, salute to the Sheffield Steel people, salute to the single mothers and the hustling brothers trying to eat and live peaceful. Last verse. GZ ladies, park games like a plumber that I'm coming with. You think it's Mario, Luigi, Toadstool that I'm running with, but I don't take mushrooms. If you got a Chris gal, tell her sit up on my mushroom. GZ carved into the back of my beanhead. I know goons that will clap at your beanheads. Like a bull I get mad like I've seen red. I vision money on my mind like the Queen's head. No alien, I've got a zombie flow. Something like I've been dead, but not like Resident Evil. Kinda living in an evil place, you could say that my residence evil. Salute to the real people, salute to the Sheffield Steel people, salute to the single mothers and the hustling brothers trying to eat and live peaceful. Salute to the real people, salute to the Sheffield Steel people, salute to the single mothers and the hustling brothers trying to eat and live peaceful. Salute, GZ, Great One Left, Tinsy on the beat, yeah. Got to march this one. We're killing it, we're murdering it, we're going militant, yeah. Salute, yeah, GZ, Great One.